Hi everybody, this is Shiva Viram signing in, and I am here to explain you the construction of ellipse using trammel method. First of all, let me tell you what the data that is required for us in order to construct the ellipse using this method. We require the length of the major axis and minor axis length, and we have to consider half of the lengths of corresponding major axis and minor axis respectively here. And here 160 is the length of the major axis given to us, and 100 is the length of the minor axis. We have to consider half of those lengths, 80 and 50. And on this trammel, so this is the paper trammel that we are going to consider, we have to keep these three lengths. ML is equal to half of the length of the minor axis, that is 50 units, and MN is half of the length of the major axis, that is 80 units. And it is better to construct this particular trammel and locate the points on both the sides, so that it will become easy for us to construct the ellipse by this method. So M and correspondingly M here on both sides, and L on both sides, and N on both sides. So now after that we have to construct the two axes, X and Y axis here. This X and Y axis we have to construct, and we have to locate the center, and at different positions of this trammel we have to locate these points. While locating these points, let me show you how we have to proceed. So here L is the point on the corresponding point on the which is to be represented on the major axis. Always L should point on the major axis and N should point on the minor axis. We have to take care such that, so when these two are going to coincide, the corresponding two axes, we have to locate the position of M at different positions of the trammel. Like that, at different positions of this particular trammel, and each position we should take care that L and N should coincide with the axis. Similarly, for the other half also we have to do the same. Here also see that L and N are going to meet with the two axes here, and locate the position of M here onto the other side. And once we do this, we are going to have the complete upper portion. Similarly, for the bottom portion also we have to do the same. Now again come to the other the remaining half of the bottom portion of the ellipse. See here again we have to, for this we have to use the other part of the trammel that we have constructed. So once we locate all these points in the four quadrants, we have to join with the smooth curve in order to get the ellipse. So let me explain you once again how this trammel is to be used in order to draw this particular ellipse. So always we have to take care that M should point to the end. For drawing that particular portion of the ellipse, rotate this so that L and N should match with this axis. Locate the position of the M. See, that's as simple as that. Similarly, for the other half also we have to do the same. M should point here, and slowly we have to move these 2 points like that. Similarly, for the bottom portion, repeat the same process. Always see that M should point to the extreme end. The other half of the bottom portion that we consider the same thing. So for this part we have to consider this part of the trammel, the other part of this trammel. That's all for today's session. Hope the things are very much clear to you. So I request all of you to please subscribe to my channel and share your valuable feedback. That is going to help me a lot, and that gives an encouragement for me to do more videos and share. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and this is Shiva Biram signing off.